All right, today is March 14th, 2025. Yesterday I did take two trades. Um, I did take two trades yesterday. One for loser, the other one for break even. Um, a rule that I want to apply to my trading style is that price is not obligated to break a level. Price is not obligated to break a level. And I think that was my downfall yesterday. At least I could have came out break even, but I wanted price to be obligated to break a level, and instead of taking what the charts were offering me, I wanted the charts to give me more. So let's go through it. 13th live charts. Here it is. All right, so I took a trade at 12:20 and then 12:31. So 12:20, I felt awkward about this trade at 12:20 and then 12:31. So now go over the trade that I missed as always. All right, so 12:20, 12:31. So that was weird. What was that? Ooh, cool. Um, yeah, I'm not gonna memorize any of this. All right, so let's jump forward. So the price, so I didn't know what the chart was doing. We had a nice little sell-off right here. We had some absorption selling off, right? Price came back and kind of like nicked the absorption a little bit before selling off, so we can see that price came down, came back, retested. Looked like it also retested this right here, this here. Oh, I can move that out the way. This here matched. So when price did come up, it did retest this level very nicely on both. So yeah, I could have used this as, because price was inside of this, I could have used this as a priority or an area for holding price, but I didn't. All right, so here we go. We have an area that I'm listening to see buying, to see some buying. We have this absorption. We got some RSIs and price doing this thing. We don't have the same absorption candles, but this one doesn't have an RSI candle. But we do have a change of volume, and we have some RSIs, right, matching, right? So it's kind of close, not the best, not 100%. We do have a lot of volume from that candle there. You can see that I believe it's this candle right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back a little bit. So this is one, right? Yeah. So that, no, it's not that candle. No, let's go back. Yeah, so it's not that candle. Where that came from? So that candle should be irrelevant. All right. So, but price, I was trying to go long there. I saw that price pushed up, buying and stepping in, and it's buyers, right? So I'm not interested yet. I want to see price break the cloud, then retest this, then retest the bottom part of the cloud, right? Now, I noticed this little late, this little wick right here that was pushing price down, and then we broke it. That's where the buying came in. So let's go back a little bit. You can see that happening. So this is where buyers are trying to step in, not successful, push down, some buying coming in, break it through, right? Buyers definitely, well, this is buying also. Buyers definitely now holding position. Could have entered on this retest right here, and stop loss a little bit under, aiming for these highs up there. But price did need to at least, there it is, settle its ground, and I think we'll see price settle its ground. That may have been it right there, right? Um, and now we're just gonna move up right back into this level, and this is where I should have went short, because this matches up with all of them. So as you see, price comes up, rotates out, no selling yet, so I wasn't interested. Then we got that. Let's go back. Then we got this right here. Push up, bam, bam, right? So that, so as we cleared, this should have been my entry sign, right about there, right? This should have been my entry at 5595, stop loss right above, and then just run this bad boy down. That should have been it, right? Boom, and we hit our level. That should have been it. All right, so that's where I should have went short because it matches with everything. We got absorption, we got price below, we got everything doing what it needs to do, and we were in a severe downtrend, right? We're in a severe downtrend the entire time. You see here, we were showing signs of buying, but we ended up absorbing. There, see sellers are stepping in. Sellers right there. No selling yet there, right? Price pushes up, and then we start to see some selling, but that could have been it because we had some selling prior to. Yes, we had some buying there, but this is where we strongly sold, and that's an opportunity to go short. All right. Now, this level right there is the other level that's important. This one here, right? Let's be informed. All right, we had a nice push. This is kind of where I wanted to go long. I like that push up. I like this push, but then I noticed that we're getting nerfed, and now this should have been a new level. I like the 2 absorption. We do need to clear it. I thought about entering short there, but since everything is so tight, I did not. Right, and then now we're gonna get into the level where I entered at. So here I saw price pushing up, and now I said that we died out with the buying, we died out with the selling. Everything just paused, but look, we're red, 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 red all around, right? So why did I decide to go long, right? I went long here because this was showing, you know, hey, look, we're wanting to buy, but we're all red, 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 red. So I have no reason. This is my direction. This is my driver. My direction is saying sell. My driver is saying buy. I cannot. My directions are stronger than my driver. Right. This here, we did sell here, but we never really bought out of here. So I can't say, hey, I want to go long, because we never bought out of there. I did see this. I saw this buy here, which is that one. I saw this buy there, which is this one. So it did pique my interest. But these are these drivers, these directional things, make the drivers go. If we are facing the wrong way and we drive, we're going to have a collision. That's what I have to remember, right? So I entered there because it looks like we were buying. We're breaking above. Somebody breaking above that. I'm speculating like this is not the best move at all. Not the best move at all. I'm out at 30, right? So how much time have I have? I've recorded so far 8 minutes. Okay. So here price is, I should have been out already. My stop loss is way down there. I have no reason not to be in this trade. I should just be out. I became optimistic about here, and Q is holding its own, and I get stopped out, and then I get this, and I said freak it. Then I enter right back in, right? Buying came in, a ton of buying came in, right? Granted, but price is not obligated to break a level. This is the level I'm talking about, and Q is there. ES is not. All right, cool. We're aiming for up here. I think I modify it. All right, we get that. We get almost 2 to 1. I'm up 10 points now. Now I'm able to at least clear the debt for the day. I'm over 10 points. Clear most of the debt for the day, if not the debt for the day, and at least finish break even. All right, this is 58, or somewhat close to break even. All right. So in my head, yeah, so I was over, at a point I was over 10 points. So in my head, I'm like, well, Right, 58. I was over 10 points. In my head, I'm like, well, if we can really break through this, that'd be great. But this is an actual level where price had a strong volume. And if I go and look at ES and NQ, I'll see that there's a lot of volume there, even in VIX. Now, when price gets back to this, VIX has a strong candle with volume saying, yo, I'm not going back to where I'm not gonna continue through. I'm going to continue rejecting what you thought about doing right here. Right, let's go to the 1 minute. It was like the loudest candle. We had that 1240, yeah, right here, right. Then we get an absorption candle, right. So we had this loud candle saying, hey, all right, I'm not gonna let price get through. Loud buying, price pushes up. Then we came back to it. This is that actual area, 1240. This is this one here, 1240, right. And I should have just exit there for my 5 points. So maybe I'll have something that I can see the 5 minute, 1 minute, no, sorry, the ES, NQ, and VIX, the 1 minute areas, looking for these little, matches of things to say, hey, these things are happening. Get prepared to do something. So maybe I'll add to this. I'll add something up above or somewhere. I just needed somewhere where I can see it so I can be alert and privy to what's going on. So that was those two trades. So first one was there, got stopped out, then that one to make it up. This one would have been a nice, okay trade because I would have been it. I should have just waited for buyers to actually show signs of stepping in. This is signs of stepping in. These are not. These are not. This is not. This is a driver. This is the direction. And then I can have drivers. This is definitely a direction. And then driver. Directions. None of these are directions. None of these, none of that. This is just a driver for me. This doesn't count also unless it's like one of these here that shows buying, right? So after that, price comes up there and just destroys this little level that I have down there. Comes back up, retests this little thing right here, and then I did mark this as a potential entry. Price really pissed me off. Took me out if I was trading that. Asshole, right? Asshole of a day. Came out, took me out if I was trading that, and then from there sold off like it was nobody's business. And then eventually, I don't know what happened because I never came back to these charts. Came back to that same level. Wow. Came back to that same level. All right, where we sold off at. All right, because we can see one. Came back to that same level. Do we have any signs of selling down there, up here? Looking for this to show signs of selling if I was going to enter it. All right, we got selling right here. Maybe stop loss above or a little higher, depending on how I'm feeling. I think I would like price to not sell way down here. I would like it to sell at the level. All right, so let's see. We got a sell at the level. Yeah, so this one here would have been an entry. All right, sellers are stepping in. We're breaking the trend line. Boom, came back here, retested, breaking the trend line, breaking the trend line, getting a sell. How to sell? No, getting a sell. All right, enter here. Stop loss above. Let's run it as far down as we can. There we go. In a day, right down to this bottom of this level, because that's the level that pushed us up, and call it there. Right. So remember, price is not obligated to break a level. That's the rule of the game. Let's get to our finding some levels for the day. We're done with that. Okay, so I didn't get a chance to do anything yesterday. Like I said, just tired. So I'm gonna try to do everything that I can today. Looks like price is rising. Looks like that. Bam, we bounce. Oh, this is dropping, so we're holding this area. Looks like we are trying to find a bottom down here, but we are still short. We need to clear all of this first. I never seen this much RSIs on the daily, so we need to clear all of these before we can go. That's what I believe. 4 hours. Nice absorption here at 13. Nice absorption. Let's make a large candle like that. All right, and then what I do like, I is just actually just waiting for price to come to my level, or finding the best levels. I really do like that. Um, I actually like that a lot. Doesn't really stress me out. Um, and just wait for price to come to the levels, and entering there. All right, and or waiting for my direction to show before my drivers can run with it. All right, so we got that, and also just looking for things that match. It just works out pretty well. I don't really have anything that match here. All right, let's detach this. Gonna make this max. Bring that over there to the side. Let's make this. Let's get rid of fix. All right. Let's go to the 30-minute. All right, we got an RSI at the bottom. That's kind of where we bounced off of before moving up towards the end of the day. Gonna clear all of these here. These are no longer good. This, well, this can go. This can go. All right. This low can go, but the 5-minute part can stay. All right. That. And where's my clock? That is 8:56. Okay. All right. This can go. I'll get rid of that one because I have one at the lower end. Trend line can go. Bring this one here. And that there like that. I'll make this 30-minute bottom. Make sure that the begin point goes to 30. And then we'll do the same thing here. .30-minute bottom. Boom. Make sure this endpoint goes to 30. Good. And then let's look at VIX to see if VIX has anything that flows with that. Oh, we got a top. Cool. I got to delete a lot of things on VIX. Alright, let's borrow the high. Let's put this high there. Looks like both of them show something here. We got a 30-minute top. Okay, this gold can go. All of these can go. Alright, so that's that. Alright, I am interested to see what's going on with this here. I have it on this one, but I don't have it on the other one. Said I like it when ES and NQ have it, and then VIX follows. Looks like we got a nice little trend line happening. Something like that. That's what it's looking like. Alright, so do we have purple in? I thought I had those there with it. Because this is obviously a lot of volume. Alright, let's go to the 15-minute. As I was stating. Alright, so we got a nice buy right here. So this is going to be a beginning point. It's going to be 45. And out like that. It's going to be a 15-minute buy. And also 15-minute EODV. I'm quite interested in that level right here. Alright, I'm going to also add the the wick. That's all it is. We'll also add it to the bottom. Just like that. Okay. I want to see what that looks like. That one is volume is 18,000. This volume is 18,000. No, that's not the volume. This is 37,000, 38,000. This volume is unknown. Must be below average. Oh, this is like 29,000. Oh, the heck is this thing at 18,000? So it's way above. It's just not showing it because I don't have the line. Oh, I'm looking at up there. Probably that's why. 29,000. Let's put this back the way it was. I forgot the wrong thing. Yeah, 29,000. So it's not the strongest. It's not an EODV. Alright. Let's put this back to VIX. Oh, okay. VIX got its own. Alright, so that area is going to be quite important. of them are showing signs of interest in these areas here. So I'd like to see price come back to them. Alright, nice little come back, bam, and going. Draw a line here, 77, and I'm also going to draw my draw something here because that's the top. Alright, we're at 26 minutes. We are going to ramp it up a bit. We've kind of cleared it, but this is VIX. I gotta ramp it up a bit. Do we have a bottom? It does work with that, so this could be 2-minute plus 30-minute bottom. Same thing with that one. That's a nice little inverted candle. Strong buying out of that candle, comes back down, and then gets going. All right, 5-minute. Let's come out. I'm not sure what this is, but you can go out. Oh gosh. Go back to the 15-minute. Thank you, God. I did remember seeing this. This can go. Did I set my tops? I wonder if I set my tops. Alright, so we got this here. That we nicely retested. Right, so got all of that going on there, and I did see something similar here, which is what caught my attention. This one right here. Okay. Alright, let's go to 5-minute now. I'm trying to go as fast as I can. I like this absorption candles. I'm trying to go as fast as I can. This is so beautiful. Okay. Plus 5-minute abs. Okay. So this is that. This is so beautiful. Five-minute abs. Ooh. Sheesh. Got a lot of reversing candles happening. All right, just got a lot right now. Okay, so this one doesn't have that there, so this 5-minute abs can go. Just gonna keep it the way it was. Doesn't match. This one, yes. That's actually where we came down to. Perfectly. Came down to this. Alright, there we have an EODV. Got that one there. Plus 5-minute abs. So that one I don't think we're going to get. Okay. That one there. This is an EODV. Alright. 5-minute. Yeah, 5-minute EODV. 5-minute. Okay, plus. Okay, and then 1 minute. So much. This is the part I don't too much like, but it's a necessity to see what all we got going on at these levels. The higher end. No, it's not the higher end. It's just 20. So let's go to 20 here. So we got a level right there. So that. I'm not going to mark them. I'm just going to keep them like that. It's just so much. I don't see anything there. Let's zoom out. Got a little thing right here. There's a little bad boy. Alright, so we'll mark that. Okay, zoom out, zoom out. Alright, so not much. I mean, we do got a little RSI here, but not very much. Alright, let's go back to the 5-minute real quickly. Just double checking to see if there's anything I need to be aware of. Maybe looking at this area here. Potentially looking at this area. We do have something going on here. Usually failed by. Let's zoom out more. Alright, let's add our tops and our bottoms. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame, and then we're gonna add our this is a higher day. And our higher day is here. So we got that. Okay, I guess let's get rid of this. Let's add our settlement prices. This is probably going to be a nice sell area. Settlement price down there. Nice buy area. Ooh, a little over in time. So these are taking much longer again. I got to start really get to doing my things the night before. If not, I won't be able to continue doing this. I won't be able to sustain this because I'll probably end up going over my limit. All right, so that's it for today. News wise, we have consumer sentiment at 10 o'clock, so that's gonna be important. Other than that, there's nothing